Tipsy Tuesday is back. Today we've got Game Bird Red from the Game Bird series from Heron Hill. Wood Duck. Finger Lakes wine, you know we love it. Got some steaks cooking. Got some friends ready to try some wine. And I'm ready to try some wine. Let's crack this open. Heck yeah. Friends.
Thanks, buddy. Thank you.
All right. Let's see. Cheers. Okay. It's on the dry side, but I bet if it was chilled, it'd be a little bit sweeter because it's not that dry. It's a pretty good wine, though.
I think it's a good mix between sweet and dry. I like it.
Yeah.
Definitely made out of grapes and good ones, too.
Good grapes.
Good grapes.
You heard it here, guys. Try this out from the Heron Hill Winery. Look at this. Fun description on the back, if you can even read it. Elegant, light-bodied blend. French hybrid. Black cherry. Wow. Absolutely nice. Perfect to be enjoyed by the water. Makes sense. Sizzle. To see how well this steak pairs with this wine. Red wine usually goes pretty well with steak. As if it didn't already melt in your mouth enough. That is quite the compliment to that. That's good.